Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today, we're going to be coding a Discord bot with Python. So let's get started. First step to do is to create our directory. So I'm going to do it right here on my desktop. So I'm going to right click, new folder. I'm just going to name this Discord bot tutorial. Double click this, and then in here, we're going to type in CMD. When we type in CMD, it's going to open up command prompt. So right here, and in here, we could just type in code space dot. If this doesn't work for you, just let me know in the comments. What you can do is you can just go into Visual Studio Code and open the folder, file, open, and then so once this opens, I'm gonna also tell you what sources we're going to need. So right here, these are the two links that you'll probably need: the Discord developer portal and the Discord PY documentation. So in the documentation, it just helps you get started. And here we're gonna get our Discord bot set up and its token. But apparently I did not press enter. Okay, so we actually do press enter. It should be in Visual Studio Code. You can press this. Here we're gonna add a new file called main.py. This will all be in the description in case if you need it. Be a pastebin link. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is actually, since this is a new project, you probably won't have PY installed. What you're going to do is pip install Discord. Pretty sure it's just Discord. I recommend going through a thorough look inside of documentation. Okay, I don't know if it's linked, so so what you could do is you could press terminal. Mine is folded up here because why? Okay, so I'm in here, so we'll go to the documentation and we can just copy this, pressing this or drag clicking. We right click and then it'll paste in for you. Hit enter. Then it should run. Oh, turn Python. Okay, what I would recommend doing is just going here and then just do pip install. And I get or hyphen that installs. Well, since I've installed it before on my main desktop, it's automatically installed anywhere. So once you're in, you're gonna you would probably see Discord PY installed, but I got requirement already satisfied. So I guess we're good to go. So you could delete the terminal or put it down. Okay. So the first step we're going to need to do is import Discord. So Discord is the main library that we'll be using, but Discord has this extra library just so you can have more things. So discord.ext or extra, and then oops, what you're supposed to do is from Discord extras or something external import commands. So got a command. So now we have to make the main bot instance. So we're gonna do bot equals commands. So we're gonna be using this method right here from discord.ext. We're gonna do dot bot and oops command or prefix because we're going to be using a prefix for this. Our prefix is gonna be exclamation mark. You can set it to anything, so you can have it A or any letter of the alphabet. I'm not sure about numbers, but and then you can do punctuation. So just the signs. I'm gonna do exclamation mark because it's clean, simple, and you can actually tell the difference. And so our Discord bots need intents because your Discord bot needs to be entrusted to something. Or you need to know your Discord bot's intents, so what it intends to do. So we're gonna do intents equals just intents, which is gonna be a variable that we will create right now. Intents equals Discord dot intents right here dot all, and then now you can see this is lit up again. So if I were to change the variable, it will either do this or just will be. So now that I have intents, or instead you can have your intents go right here. Just if you wear it like that. I just like to have mine up there. Now we're going to run our bot with the token, which we'll be getting. So right now we don't have the token and we have to store the token. So what I'll do is I'm going to create another file where I'm going to keep all my configuration tokens and stuff, which will be called config.py. And then we're going to do token equals, which is going to be a string. And then you open up Discord developer portal. So we're going to create the bot. We're going to press new application. I'm going to name it, so YT bot. By creating, so you can read through it. I've definitely, totally read through it before. And the developer policy. I trust that you probably read it before. So yeah. Now that we're here, we can change the name, icon, description. This is our main bot. Oh, actually, where we want to go, because this is an application, we're making a Discord bot, so we'd go over to the bot section right here, and then we would. So it created the bot for us. Icon, reset. So username. Before we get a token, we're going to go to the privileged gateway intents. We're gonna tick these three. So presence intent, server members intent, and message content intent. So yeah. And right here, I give you my bot administrator. I recommend giving it specific because if someone to hack your bot or log into your Discord account with permission of the bot, it can basically control everything in your server. So I wouldn't recommend anything, but since this is a Discord test bot, I want to give it all my permissions so I don't have to worry about re-inviting the bot. So we're gonna press save changes. Now we're gonna scroll up, press reset token. Yes, do it. You're gonna be prompted to set your password or something, I'm pretty sure. We'll copy this token. And I'm gonna say this now: do not share your token with anybody. This is a personal token, and if anybody has it, they can log into your bot, set different code to it, and take advantage of it. So you do not want anyone to take it. After this tutorial, I'm gonna reset my token, so you will not need to worry. So now we're gonna do from config. So this is our config.py file. Import token, so our token variable. Because if we were to control click this, it leads us to this file. Control click this token will bring us here still. Will show us the variable. So right here, we're gonna do token. And if you prefer not to have it as a variable, what you could do is you can have it go like this, and then have your token right in this string. Or there could be many other ways, but I prefer doing it like this so my token's secure and I just have more assurance. So now that we have our token ready, we could run the bot right now. But how do we need to indicate how our bot's on. So what we're going to do is create an event. So we're going to do at bot.events. Then we're going to do async define. We're going to define what our variable does and sync it with the entire. So this function is going to be called on_ready or event. We're going to have our parentheses and then a colon. Under this, simply when the bot starts, the event will say, when it's ready, it's just going to print out anything you really want. Bot is ready. You turn this into an F string. And then have our quotation marks, and then we could do curly parentheses, curly brackets, the bot dot user dot name. I think that's is now ready. To keep it simple and so I can avoid errors to make it as smooth as possible, I'm just gonna say bot is ready. So now all I'm gonna do is press this run Python file, or you could go to terminal, new terminal. This, and we could just do Python 3 main y. Pretty sure. Okay. I think it's dot slash. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna press this because I don't know. Okay. Once you press the run Python file, it should be running. Okay, so it's and with this, oh, before the bot is gonna be on, but it's not in a Discord server. So you're gonna press OAuth 2. We're going to go scroll down here, OAuth 2 URL generator. We're gonna give it permission as a bot. Here application commands, because we're gonna use slash commands for this bot as well. And I think that's everything up here. I'm gonna give it administrator. Like I said earlier, I recommend not having it administrator because anyone can get the bot token and literally mess up your server. So you have to be all secure with this. Once you do this, integration type, you don't have to touch it unless it's already set on Guild. You have to set it to Guild install because we're installing it in a server. Discord's vocabulary for servers is called Guild, so it's gonna say Guild. Do not get confused with this. User install, so it's gonna be installed kind of like you could just run the command. It's like a bot connected to your Discord account. I'm not completely sure with it, but that's to keep it simple. So right here, you can open up Discord and just simply paste the link in with the you can click this link. It's gonna do this. way. You're gonna add it to that server, and then you press continue, authorize, and then your Discord bot should be in your server. Should be in yours. Okay, where is the Discord bot? That should not. Okay, there you go. So our Discord bot is now in the server. Since we don't have any commands or anything to interact bot with, it's just gonna be here. It's gonna look like a normal person in your Discord server. But what we want to do is add cool stuff like commands or moderation commands, events, cool stuff, anything. So I'm gonna delete this terminal. I'm gonna press Control D. I'm pretty sure that should. Okay. Okay, there you go. And then you can delete the terminal. So that just stopped the bot. Control D stops the instance that's running. So you could just scroll up. We're gonna add our test command. It's not really required. You don't have to. It's just gonna be just practice. So what you would do is add bot.command because so it's gonna be this bot refers to this, which is our commands.bot. You don't have to do add bot.command. You could do commands.command. Then it will be a command. I'm gonna do bot.command because I prefer it. Overall, it's all up to you, and we might change it up later to be slash commands or some hybrid command. So our bot.command, we're gonna do asynchronize, define. It's gonna be our bots, our okay, our bot's command name. But we're gonna just name this hello. We're gonna have it like that, colon, and then await CTX. Okay, wait, first of all, you have to pass in CTX. CTX just means context, because it's gonna send a message. Await CTX said. Wait, CTX.send. Okay, I'm either doing something wrong or I just wait CTX not reply. Hello. If this doesn't work, it's gonna tell us the error and on, so hopefully it does work. Okay, so we got our bot is ready. Now we can do at hello. And it shall reply with hello. There's also another command that's built into our Discord bot, and it just does just hello. So that's it for today. Thank you for tuning into the video. This is just a remake series of before because I kind of stopped it on accident. Because, yeah. Also, I'm getting back into school, so it's a pretty bad time to start recording again. So I'm gonna try to be consistent. I plan on recording Wednesdays all the time. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a good day or night, evening, afternoon. Like and subscribe, please.